Hi, so I already made a iteration of the same exact uh, excavator animation where it was just the excavator itself being moved around, but this time I worked a bit more on it and added the truck which was provided, and also added like additional asset which I feel like adds to it a little bit of just a simple rock. And yeah, the animation is pretty much the same. It's just the rock itself I feel that I've added, and yeah, as I said, the truck, rest of it pretty much the same. Nothing much has been changed, altered. And yeah, the armatures here, made the control arm, made all of them, just moved the places, the rotation and the location of the grabbers and the control arm, and yeah, the other control arm. And this is how it pretty much looks. And yeah, I inserted quite a bit of yeah, instances on the rock. Tried to make it a bit bouncy, as if it was bouncing inside of the grabber. And yeah, when it drops down,